Hi, my name is Mike. I want to show you how to create a database on Postgres. After that, I'm going to show you how to create a table. Okay, first we come down here and click it after you have installed it. So it opens up. Yep. It's going to ask you for a password or for a password. Mostly you'd have put the password in when you're setting it up. Okay, okay, it is not asking for the password right now. That's because I just closed it and just reopened it again. Okay, so you're gonna come here, click Query Tools, get right into it. Okay, I'd already created another database already called my database. So I'm going to drop it, delete it. Yep, you can see it's gone. Okay, to create a database, you just have to come right here, create database, and the database name. So I'm going to say my, call it my data, my data base. Then I'm going to click OK, save. Okay. Just wait for some few minutes. Done. You notice here it's right here, but it's not yet connected. Notice this. So I'm going to click on it. I can look down here, the database connect. So we've created a database right now, but it's empty. There's no table in it. So we're gonna create a table right now. So just create table. It doesn't have to be capital letter. You can also use a small letter, but I think capital letter looks much better. Okay, now we're gonna give the table a name. Um, a name customer. Okay, then this 20. Then the colon names. So we have first name, first name. Then we use a varchar, that's data type. So the length of text we're going to have in the first name, let's use 10. Then we have a comma, then last name, I'm also going to the varchar data type 10, then 8 int address I'm going to use a char in the length of 31 units. Okay, let me just bring this up. Okay, so you can see I have my first name, last name. I use the camel case right here. If you notice, I have my F for the first capital letter, then for the name, I have the N capital letter. Reason why I did like this so that it can be easily be read. So I'm using a voucher, that's the data type. Voucher is a data type in SQL which used to store character strings. So I'm using it because I'm just going to have text in that field in the name. There's not going to be any number here or anything, so voucher is most appropriate for it. Then for the address, I'm using a char. That's because a char can use a mix text and numbers. Because sometimes you may want to say number 1 or quarter road or number block 5. So let's check why. Okay, and I see child data type stores characters data in a fixed length field. Can be a string of a single byte or multiple letters, numbers, and other characters. So since we're in an address, we may have numbers in it, so char is more appropriate to use. And after after the first name and the data type and the length of text that I want in it, it's not going to pass 10. And I have my comma. Comma is very important. Just like if you notice the age after the int, I did not add a comma, and that's not good because it's going to give me an error. I just want to give a quick example what will happen if you don't have a comma in the right place. You see, it says error, syntax error at or near address. Basically, it's talking about this age because of no comma. So I'm going to add a comma there now. Okay, let's run it again. Done. Created table. Query returned successfully. So you can see I've created the table. I'm going to come to this end here and look. Okay, so this database we just created, this table is going to be in it. Yep, we're done for now. The next video I'll be showing you how to insert text data into the table.